Hi, good evening, everyone. I welcome you to the demo class for Data Analytics Master Course by IM Skills. Myself, Jatin. I'm a trainer and tutor for Data Analytics Master Course, and we have our counseling team present as well, Bhaskar, Rohit, and Vikas. So today's session would revolve around what we are offering in this course and what are the additional benefits for IM Skills, and why you should, join this course and why you should be a part of IM Skills. So before starting about the course, let us just discuss about a brief discussion about IM Skills. IM Skills is one of the world's leading online education services. We are headquartered in New Delhi, and we have presence in 23 cities in Asia, which includes Dubai and Singapore. We are a completely online education solution. There is no offline classes, and we have been doing this. It's not just data analytics course. We have been providing different courses in marketing, in finance, uh, in search engine optimization, and obviously analytics now. So why you should be a part of IM Skills? I would like to highlight four main reasons. Number one, we offer an interactive live training, which means that our sessions are not recorded. We organize our sessions on Zoom calls where there is a two-way communication between the teacher and the student, and it gives a impression of that you're sitting in a class. We kind of create a classroom situation. We try to simulate the situation where you're sitting in the classroom, and that is what we try to deliver. It's an interactive live training. It's not recorded videos. Then we give end-to-end placement support. And when I say end-to-end placement support, it has two parts to it. One, obviously, once you complete this course, we would, once you complete the source, we will definitely help you with the placements. Hello, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. So once you complete the course, we'll be supporting you in getting placements, and we'll be helping you prepare.
I click on once into the tell me about.
We'll be helping you prepare. We'll be helping you prepare with the resume, the interview questions, and we'll be helping you getting the placements. This is the one part of end-to-end placement support. Why do we call it an end-to-end placement support? Even if you pass out, you get a placement, you get a job, and you are done with the course and you get a job. And after 3 years or 4 years, you want to change your job. So we have an exclusive lifetime job portal access for our alumni where this alumni portal, some people can refer you if there are job opportunities, they post it there. So even if you are passed out of this course 3 years or 4 years down the line, this alumni portal can help you through references, through opportunities to join the to change your job, to get a new job. So I would like to put it as that we ensure a career opportunity for lifetime. That is what we ensure. Third, most of the courses out there, they have a limited access to their material on learning management system. And once the course is over, probably after 6 months after the completion or 1 year after the completion, you don't have the access to the learning material. But we at IM Skills give you lifetime access to LMS, where you can anytime in your career, anytime after completing the course, can access to recordings, the session recordings, the class recordings, the study material that we shared during the class, the ebooks that we have uploaded on the LMS, all of the material that we discussed during the course, along with the session recordings, is available for lifetime. You have a lifetime access to them. Fourth, we believe in direct mentorship. We don't believe in teaching students. We would just, come in the class, discuss about the pointers of the course, and we'll leave. No, we believe in mentoring the students. So we'll connect. You can connect to us on email. You can connect to us on LinkedIn. You can connect. You can discuss about some projects which you are doing. We help out students with the projects in their jobs, with their assignments. So it is not just teaching. It is kind of a mentorship that we are offering. Even if you pass out of the course and you're stuck in some project, you can always write an email to your tutor for that particular course. And if you're stuck in something related to that particular subject, and the tutor would reply to you. So it's a mentee relationship that we put forward, and not a teacher-student relationship. Moving ahead to our data analytics master course, the course that we are offering, we have prepared the curriculum in such a way that we cover all the tools that are needed for needed for a data analytics expert to have exposure to. And not just that, we believe in hands-on practical exposure. We'll not just, share a theoretical approach in a presentation. We will be teaching live. We will be practicing live on these tools during the class along with the students, and we'll troubleshoot if some students are facing any problems. We are a government approved educational institution. That means our certificate is recognized globally. Apart from that, you'll have an internship projects by PwC, Accenture, Quantium, companies like big companies, and you'll get internship project certificate from these companies, which are also again accepted at the global level. And after that, we also help you get data analytics certification from Google and Microsoft, which again in the data analytics field is an advanced certification and is accepted globally. If we look at the entire curriculum, as you can see, we have divided it into different tools. Now, a data analytics project or a data analyst it starts with processing of data and collection of data. For that, we teach advanced Excel and VBA. That is the first step of data analytics. We teach we will teach you how to master the Excel for analysis and advanced functions, and how to use VBA to automate the tasks in Excel. Now, this is data collection. Once you collect the data, you need to process the data, and you need to query the data. And for querying, we teach SQL. SQL is again one of the most common and most accepted querying language for databases, for relational databases. Then we move on to modeling and data transformation. For that, we are teaching you not one but two tools, R and Python. R is more statistically focused, and Python is more machine learning focused. and we cover both of them. So if you go out there, I mean, there are some jobs which will focus on R, there are some jobs which will focus on Python, and we are preparing you for both of them. So we are not limiting your job opportunities, but we are increasing it. And then comes the final part, which is the presentation and visualizations and reporting in as a data analyst. And for that, we are teaching three tools: Power BI, Tableau, and Alteryx. These are one of the most common tools that are being used out there. And Power BI and Tableau and Alteryx will empower you to present your data, report your data in a dashboard in a data story manner that is accepted across different industries, thus enhancing your uh, horizon. This it is not limiting you, but when we are teaching you all these tools together, it is actually opening up to you to various industries, to jobs in various industries, even if they are using Python or they're using Power BI or they're using R or they're using Alteryx, you can fit in there. So it opens you up to the world of opportunities. Apart from the curriculum, meticulously designed curriculum that we have, what is the USP of this data analytics course? The first is, as I told you, the master's certification. Uh, since we are a government-approved educational institution, our certificate is our master's certification, is accepted globally. Apart from that, we offer project internships with MNCs like PwC, Quantum, Accenture, which also will offer you, once you complete the project, will offer you a project certificate, which you can put up on your resume. And after that, if you want to do to get an advanced certification like Google or Microsoft, we help you with that as well. Our data analytics course is 100% tools driven training. As I pointed this out earlier, we will not be teaching theory, we will be teaching practical hands on tools. So in the class, we will open the R or Python or Power BI and we will do projects, we will do real time projects along with the students in the class. So this is 100% tool driven training and not a theoretical class or course that we are offering. And third, we offer practical learning. So all our tutors and trainers have extensive amount of industrial experience. They have been in different jobs and they have been in different portals in data analytics. And this helps them simulate real world examples, real world applications during the teaching, during the class curriculum. And by discussing these real world practical learning, they ensure that once the course is completed, you are ready for jobs. You're job ready, because once you sit for an interview, you will be given a real world scenario and you know how to work ahead on this because that is what you have been taught in the course. And the most important point, we offer a 24/7 support system. Our counseling team, our administrative team, our tutors, anytime you can 24/7 drop a message, drop a email, connect on LinkedIn, and they will definitely respond to you with whatever queries you have or whatever problems you have, even if you're facing a problems in solving the assignment or you have some queries with your administrative work or some IT troubleshooting, they'll help you with that. Uh, just to give you the stats, till now, IM Skills has trained 45,000 plus students. So I put it another way. We have a strong alumni across courses of 45,000 students, and our placement ratio is 81% per 100 students. That means out of 100 students taking courses across courses, 81 of them end up getting placed. And the highest CTC that has been offered in placements is 36 lakhs annually. That is in INR. So these are some alumni that have for different courses that are associated to us. And as you can see, they are part of big companies. They are present in big companies, global companies, and this is the advantage I'm talking to you about. That once you connect through alumni portal, even after 3 years or 4 years, for example, you're looking for a reference in Accenture or in Reliance or in TCS, you can easily get it through our alumni connection. Thank you for your time. Thank you for taking out your time. And now we'll start with questions and queries, which you have. I would request if you raise your hands and uh, we will take one by one all the queries. Don't worry, all the queries will be answered. I'll request if you just raise your hands and we'll take it one by one. Yes, Monish.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes, good
Hello.
evening. Yes, good
Yes,
evening.
sir. Actually, I am looking for in investment banking. Actually, I am already working as a financial analyst, and I'm an
Okay.
MBA in finance. So the
Okay.
IMS skills is also giving the course in investment banking, also providing the investment banking program. So can you please give a brief related to the investment banking? The main thing is related at the placement and who are the mostly which companies are the hiring partners and overall
We,
related to the placement.
Monish, we are currently talking, we currently, this demo class is related to data analytics course. And if
Okay.
you look at the data analytics purview, it is not limited to any industry. Data analytics can be applied to financial banking, it can be applied to investment banking, it can be applied to credit risk rating. Um, so I would suggest if you are looking in something in investment banking as a like you want to handle portfolios and that all, then probably you can look at our financial courses. But
Okay.
if you want to analyze the data and present your recommendations and strategies, then you should go ahead with this course. And I would say that you go ahead with data analytics because with a experience in financial modeling, you are not limited to investment banking. You can go in investment banking, you can go in credit risk rating, you can go in financial markets and commodity markets. So I think that would be more wider opportunity base for you rather than zeroing in on.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
yes, Krishna.
Yeah, hi. Actually, the placement rate you have shown, I think that is for the whole portfolio of IIM skill, right?
Yes, yes,
So,
across courses.
okay. So, can you confirm the placement rate for particular to this course only?
We generally, because the placements happen all together, so we generally have data for uh, overall in all the courses because there are different courses going on. So when you, even if you talk about college, it does not give you placements of engineering in IT or computer science. It gives you the complete entire college placement ratio. So I think that, and we are achieving a good placement rate. 81% is a decent, I would say, in today's market, which is so competitive.
Yeah, that is decent, but we cannot bifurcate, na. So it is a bit difficult.
Krishna, bifurcation, as I told you, would be difficult, and I don't think any institution offers bifurcation of placements course-wise. They would give an overall, even if you look at IIT Delhi and IIMs, they give you an overall percentage placement. They have different streams, they have different courses, but the percentage placement is overall. So that is the number we can offer to you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Ajay.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Sir, currently I am working in a sales department and I am working from past 11 years. So my
Okay.
current package is quite, it's around 10 lakhs PA per annum. So do I need to exit my job, leave my job to pursue this course?
No, Ajay. That is the how we have decided establish the curriculum, keeping in mind that we have diverse set of students, and most of those students would be working and they have work commitments. So the classes would only occur on Saturday and Sunday, morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So even if you're
Okay.
working, you can work entire week, and during the weekends in the mornings you have the class.
I think even Saturdays is not holiday, so it will be very difficult to manage.
No problem. There are a lot of my students who have working Saturdays. So what they do is they miss the Saturday class and they watch the video on Saturday night because all of the classes are recorded. The session recordings are
Okay.
immediately uploaded once the class ends. So if the class ends at 1 p.m., at 1:05, you will be able to see the recording on your LMS. So there are a lot of
Also,
working professionals who miss the Saturday class, watch the video recording, and then on Sunday if they have any questions, they ask in the class, and then they attend the Sunday class. So don't worry about that. And we ensure that even if you have queries, you can email us or write us during the week, and we'll respond to you. So you can study
Okay.
and do it on your own time, looking at your work commitments.
Also,
Okay.
Ajay, we are coming out with a weekday batch as well. So
Okay.
if you have this schedule that will allow you to take the classes on weekdays, then we are starting with the new batch that will be commencing on 28th of May. So you can go ahead with the weekday batch as well.
Okay. What is
Hey,
that weekday batch?
So the weekday batch, the classes will be on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay. It will be conducted at night.
Yeah, in the night, as per
Okay.
Indian
Okay. So
timings.
it will be the live classes, right?
Yes, yes, these will be live classes.
Okay. Okay. So this will not be an issue. And one more thing, sir. Like as I said, I am in working as a sales department. So how the data analytics course will add value to my, to my company, to my skill to grow further.
So you have, I would say, being in a sales department, you have the most wider scope for being a data analyst because every company has a sales and marketing data coming in.
Okay.
Even
Okay.
if they are making medicines or they're making machineries or they're making electronic products, or even if they're selling IT services, sales and marketing data is uh, available with each of the company in each of the industry. And when you apply analytics to that data, because you have understanding of how sales data and marketing data works, with this skill, I think you will be suited. I mean, you will up yourself a notch in your company as well. And even if you want to change, you'll open a wide opportunities to yourself. Right now, if you
Okay.
go as a sales manager, you'll only be finding jobs in your particular industry, for example, manufacturing. But as a
Right.
data analyst, you can apply across different industries. So that is the advantage with this course.
Okay. And sir, talking about the internship, as you said, there will be a 2 months internship after completing the course. So how the internship will be done? It will be done from home, or should we have to work in a company?
The internship is completely online, so you can work accordingly as per your commitments. And don't worry, it is completely online. And once you complete it, you'll get the certificate as well.
Okay. Okay. So the internship will be like real company projects, right?
Yes, company projects from PwC, Accenture, Quantium, real projects.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Thanks, sir. That's it from my side.
hello.
Yeah, yes, Shraddha.
Yeah. Good evening. I'm mother of a first year BTech student. I'm Sharda here. I would like to know if this course is applicable for a BTech CSE first year student. He's completed his first year and he wants to take up a course to advance himself so that he can equip himself with more knowledge when he goes ahead in his course. He is doing BTech CSE in data science. So is this course applicable for him?
Yes, definitely. It would really help since he's doing CSC in data science.
Yes.
Uh, he, he
In
will be
Manipal.
definitely,
Yes.
yes, he will be definitely benefiting from this course. This course would,
Okay.
give him an edge over his students,
Okay.
over his counterparts, over his
He
classmates.
has
Definitely.
not done any programming before because he's just completed first year. So will that be okay?
No problem, ma'am. We have designed this course keeping in
Okay.
mind that the students who are coming to us
Okay.
are from diverse backgrounds, and you would not
Okay.
believe I have students from humanities background. They were doing history honors,
Oh,
and now they are doing data
okay.
analytics. So
Okay.
the course curriculum is designed in a way that it doesn't matter from which background you're coming.
Yes,
Data
because he's
analytics
very much
focus.
interested in data analytics. Now he's got a 3 months vacation, so he'll complete it and it'll overpour to second year. That doesn't matter. He's going to take up the weekend batch. Okay.
Yes.
So, and then I want to know what is this Google certification and a Microsoft certification which he will get if he does. Can you please throw some light on that again,
Then
please?
so Google and Microsoft are advanced certifications where once they have a they have a test for which will help you prepare for the
on
Where-
whatever course
and
has been
once you-
completed for 6 months. On that,
No,
questions will be
no.
asked.
So
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
no. So Google and Microsoft is a test based on practical application of Google Analytics and Microsoft Analytics. And
Okay.
all of the companies that are using Google and Microsoft Analytics will definitely give you a preference if you have passed their certification as a data analytics.
What is the
And
syllabus for that?
we'll help with that. We'll help prepare with the
Okay.
syllabus and with the course. It's an
Okay.
entirely separate practical course.
Okay.
And after that, he'll be Google certified or Microsoft certified data analyst, which
Correct.
is a
That
very
is
big.
what we are looking out for. Exactly.
Yes.
So end to end, how much time it will take? Now, if he enrolls on May 19th, what is the time completion if he is very regular on this? When will it get completed, including the internship?
So generally, the course plus internship is 6 months is the course, and 2 months is the internship project. And
Okay.
then another
This certification for
additional time.
Google.
Yeah, and Microsoft would be after that.
So that takes how much? How long? Google and Microsoft, how long does it take?
It depends really on the person to person, how quickly he grasps the course and how quickly he wants
Okay. Okay.
some people wants
Yeah,
to
Fixed
write it.
timeline.
he can
There's no
actually
fixed
appear for the
timeline.
exam right. He can actually appear for the exam right after completing the course.
Oh,
Yes.
is it? Okay, okay. And it is continuous, right? Once he starts the course, the 6 months is continuous. And then the internship are also immediate. He cannot take,
Ye-
internship, chalo ek mahine ke baad kare. Aisa nahi hai na?
No, no.
Okay, it is a complete end to end.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So I have got all the details from your person in New Delhi. So I will be enrolling with him after speaking to him tomorrow again, Mr. Vikas.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Sure. Yes, Nudrat.
Yeah, hi. Thank you so much. So I just want to piggyback what Sharda actually asked during this question answer sessions. So basically, what you're doing is you're trying to teach data analytics from the scratch, right? Because I know that you need to have maths knowledge and everything. There are so many complex calculations and everything which you have to do. So basically, what you're trying to say is you don't need any advanced data analytics knowledge from the past, because according to your email, it says data analytics master course. So basically, it's not a master course. So basically, what you're doing is trying to teach data analytics from the beginning, correct? From the scratch. That's one question. Second question is there any can we ask any fee structure, how it works, and for the people who actually live abroad? And is there any weekend or perhaps any just because of the time, because we all work from 9 to 5 in the morning, and we have to know that whether we can look forward for this course or not based on our timings.
All right, Nudrat, just to answer your first question, this is a master's course because data analytics is not something you'd graduate in. I mean, what we are teaching. We are basically teaching you how to use your domain knowledge, which you have in your respective areas, whether you're a graduate or you are already doing a job, and you master the skill of analyzing that data in your particular domain and in other domains. And once you do that, you have the opportunities open to you in different domains. And it is not just limited to, I would say, um, I mean, your particular domain. You can apply in all the domains. See, the beauty with data analytics master's course is that you don't have to have a graduation in data analytics per se. That is the beauty of data analytics course. You can be a graduate in engineering, you can be a graduate in commerce, you can be a graduate in finance, you can be a graduate in marketing, and you can still do this master's course. So it is not dependent on what you have done for your graduation. That is what I try to explain. So that is one point. And the other point is that once you do this course, you will be getting a master's certificate. So this is a master's course, but we still try to cover the basics because we assume that these students are coming from different graduation backgrounds and different domains, and they should have a common understanding before we move on to advanced stuff. Most of the analytics courses, especially master courses out there, wouldn't offer you that. So we are just saving your time to go through a graduation course first and then go to a master course. And this is definitely a master's course, even if we are starting from the basics. Basically, it's known as a foundational setting, where we check your foundations and we set your foundations so that you can do well in advanced analytics. Timings, I think, which location you're from?
New York.
New York. So is it like, all right, so that would be EST for you, right? So
That's right. Yes.
So I think your classes would be your night. So I think for you, the classes would be Friday night and Saturday night.
Oh, that's fine actually. That's great.
Yeah. So I think 10 a.m. IST
And yeah,
would roughly be what 9 p.m. 9 p.m. EST, I think. So that is the time when we start the class. So I think you would be comfortable in attending those classes, even if you're working 9 to 5.
that's perfect. Thank you. And the fee structure. Yeah.
The fee structure is INR 49,000 plus GST. If you want it in a break, I mean, in USD or something like that, you can contact our counseling team, Vikas, Askar, or Rohit, any one of them, and they'll help you with that.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes, Nagarjun. Hello, Nagarjun.
Sir, can we complete this in 3 months, this course?
No, it has the duration of classes on weekends, so that takes due time. So it takes around 6 months. You are being taught 6 different tools, and it is not pertaining to one particular student, right? We have to collectively learn. There might be other students who might not be learning as quickly as you are. So we have to look out for that, their interest as well. So 6 months is the course time. Yes, Nagarjun. Yes, Shobik, you can go ahead with your question.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm asking that I have saw your brochure, and so I have doubt in 2 to 3 points. Like, sir, in your course, sir, there is no statistical methods, like formulas are not mentioned so much, sir. Like, I have checked, there are more focus on tool-based application, but the mathematical and statistical calculation there that are not much um, give there. So can you tell about that? That how will you know that things?
Shobik, this is a particularly data analytics course, not a statistics course. So we will be covering different statistic analysis using those tools and how to read those analysis. Going into how those statistics work is a different job entirely. You as a data analyst are not required to do that. Your job is to run the statistical model, interpret the results, and give a report. That's it. That is what we'll be teaching you.
So, sir, for that we don't need to know about much about those statistics.
Yes, definitely. If statistics would have been an important factor for data analytics, then we would have said that we need statistics graduates, right?
Yes, sir.
So don't worry about that.
And and the course is of 6 months and the 2 months of internship. So, the 4 internship project, how you can cover in between 2 months, sir?
The project would be designed in a way that you will be requiring 2 months to complete the project.
Okay, that all are real-time projects, no?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. And sir, one more thing, like the real time factor, like see today's the Netflix, when you see some movies, they will come like this movie you should watch, like the recommendation. So that type of real time projects will you handle or not, sir?
Yes, we'll be
Like
teaching
or
that
any
to you.
finance sector or
We'll be
banking
teaching.
or
We'll be teaching you real world examples, and in your class exercises and in your assignments, you'll be getting those real world examples. It can be Netflix recommendation, it can be financial prediction, it can be linear regression using the regression to predict stock price. It can be anything. We'll teach you different types of real world examples, and I think that will help you once you go out for a job.
okay, thank you, sir.
Hello.
Sorry, I'm interrupting here. One last question from my side. Sir, what are the chances of AI
Yes.
taking over data analyst job?
Um, Similar the chances of AI taking over coding jobs. None. You can't. You can't simulate the intelligence of a human and the recommendations of a human. There is a lot of hue and cry about AI will take over these jobs or that jobs, but you have to remember that AI is simply what you're doing or what you're creating, and it will only follow its creator's knowledge, and it cannot be applied to different domains. It would only any program that is created by a team of 5 people, that AI program would understand what those team of 5 people think, which I don't think would always be right in different scenarios. ChatGPT, when it was rolled out, and if you type, tell me about Amitabh Bachchan, and he would say, who's that? So there's a long way for AI to go, and I don't think this is just a hue and cry that is created in the market that AI will take over the jobs. I don't think so. I don't feel that. AI just there to help you, but not take over your job. Yes, Shubham.
Hi, so I'm a BTech student who's just finished his first year, and even though my branch is not related to the CS domain, I'm still interested to go into the domain of data analytics and all. Thing is, I don't know that many languages. I just know a C and a little bit of embedded C through the some college events and all that I did. So would it help me in future, or what are the things that it will provide me?
Shubham, as I said and pointed out, that what you're doing or what you've graduated in does not really have an effect of you becoming a data analyst. The languages that we'll be teaching you is entirely different from what coding you do with C++ or Java, and it is more of a logical representation rather than being more of a technical. It focuses more on how to run the program and how to get the results, how to interpret the results, and provide recommendations.
All right. Also, is there something like a weekend night batch? Because sometimes on Saturdays we have classes in the morning in my college. So,
There is no weekend night batch, but as I told you,
but
the recording will always be available. So if you have a class, you can always attend that class and you can go back and look at the recording. If you have any queries pertaining to that particular session that you missed, you can always write to the tutor or trainer and they'll help you.
all right, all right. And classes will be conducted over which platform?
We'll be conducting classes on Zoom call, and it will be one-to-one interaction with live. The tutors share their screen with live tools, and you can work on the tools simultaneously along with the teacher.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Yes, Nagarjun.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, very good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, I have a pharmaceutical background. My employment in one of the MNC company in Hyderabad location.
Yes.
And
Which company?
my Dr. Reddy's Laboratories.
Okay.
Currently, I'm working in a R&D division, research and development division.
Okay. Okay.
I have totally 14 years experience in pharmaceutical.
Okay.
We are working with the different markets, regulatory markets like in US, China market, like Russia market. So how we can use this data analyst course in manufacturing companies, sir, especially in pharma? And this
Pharmaceuticals
is the first
has the
question.
maximum.
And my
Pharmaceuticals
second,
companies.
yes,
Yes,
my
yes,
second
continue,
question,
continue.
my second question is there anybody in your institute undergoing pharmaceutical background candidates taking or in this course?
Yes, there are certain alumni from pharma industry. And once you complete the course and
Okay,
you connect to the alumni portal, you'll be able to link with them. Number one. Number two, I think pharmaceuticals has the most, I would say they have the maximum application for data analysts because in pharma, when it comes to drug production or drug selling or focus testing, you're in R&D, you'll have A and B beta testing for different focus groups. So all of this comes under with an analytics background. It would definitely aid you with that. And I would say you might have heard of another company in Hyderabad, which is known as Novartis. It is another pharmaceutical industry company. For Novartis has set up a different analytics domain, in department entirely, and they have been hiring a lot of people for analytics, and not just in manufacturing. Once you understand the pharmaceutical data, you can apply it to supply chain and logistics because that is one of the major challenges in pharmaceuticals, especially, and not just supply chain logistics. You can do to R&D, you can tell A and B testing, you can apply it to sales and marketing. There's a wide array of scope when you can go to pharmaceuticals as a data analyst. And with your experience, 14 years experience is very extensive. So I think this data analytics course would definitely give you an edge, and you can apply to different pharmaceutical companies. They have started up building their different data analytics department specifically. Especially Novartis, that is a very big company. They have a very big department when it comes to pharmaceuticals.
okay.
Not
Thank you,
just
sir.
that, Biocon has that. The company manufacturing Covishield, AstraZeneca has their own department of data analytics. They are all doing that. And the data analytics department only published the report for Covishield having a rare blood disorder. So that is all the job of data analytics department.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your information. And soon after this class, I will take a decision. Yes.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone who has any other questions? Yes, Andrews. Andrews, you can ask your question. Andrews.
Sir, one more thing, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sure.
after completion of course, how can I get to know that which domain should be best for me? And like which domain you provided more successful uh, um, job placement, sir?
Each domain has equal opportunities, Shobik. Everyone is using data and everyone wants to analyze that data. So I cannot point out one domain. You can target any domain. It has equal opportunities. If you're working, like for example, in Nagarjuna's case, he's working in pharmaceutical for 14 years. That's an extensive experience in one particular industry. So I think he would definitely have more advantage in pharmaceutical analytics. But if you don't have that much experience, you can apply to any domain. That is not. There's no such preference or prevalence that this is more attractive. Everyone has an immense amount of data collecting on daily basis, and they want that data to be analyzed.
And sir, from one domain, can I switch to another domain?
Yes, definitely. As I told you, data analytics completely pushes you in a different department. It is related to how you analyze the data and not which kind of data, so it doesn't matter.
And sir, your placement, which domains are more placement get from your side, sir?
I told you there's no
Like in data
bifurcation.
analytics.
There is no bifurcation of that. So I'm sorry, I cannot provide you that information.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Anyone who has any other questions? Any other questions, guys? Okay, thank you for your time for this class. And if you have any further queries or any further questions, you can always.
Sir, I would like to like take up the last few minutes of this session,
Okay,
just to
sure.
have like a conversation with the people who have joined today's demo class. So, hi everybody, my name is Vikas. I work in the admissions team of the data analytics department from IIM Skills. So I hope everybody has enjoyed today's demo session. So can I have a quick confirmation in the chat box? Can you please type yes?
The question again, please.
Okay. Okay, great. Seems like like a lot of people have enjoyed today's session. Actually, I just wanted to inform everybody that we are going to start with our upcoming batches from 19th of May and from 28th of May. And we have two different kinds of batches. We have one weekday batch and we have one weekend batch that is going to start from 19th of May. So can I have a quick survey of who wants to join weekday classes and who wants to join weekend classes? So can you please write your preferred batch that you want to join in the chat box? Krishna would like to join the weekend batch. Indrajit would like to join the weekday classes. Utkarsh would also like to join the weekday classes. That's great. Nagarjun, I'm asking everybody that which batch would they like to join, weekend batch or weekday batch? Okay, so Ajay, the timing for the weekend classes are 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. On Saturday and Sunday. And for the weekday classes, the timings are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And all these timings are as per Indian Standard Time. Okay, so as I can see that there are a lot of people that would like to join the weekend batch, and there are some of you that would like to join the weekday classes. Okay, great. So since the weekend classes are starting from 19th of May, so as we only have 2 days left for the batch to begin, we are closing in the admissions tomorrow. So anybody who would like to join the weekend classes, they can go on this link that I have shared in the chat box and they can register themselves for this course, or they can also connect with their concerned counselor, and they will help you with the admission process. And anybody who would like to join the weekday classes, then they have time till 22nd of May, because the batch admissions will be closed by 22nd of May. So kindly connect with the concerned counselors, or directly go on this link that I have provided in the chat box and register yourself for this course. And then you can start taking the classes from your preferred batch. Once again, I would like to mention the dates of the classes. That will be 19th of May, weekend batch, 28th of May, weekday batch. that's all from my side. I hope everybody has a great day ahead, and yeah, have a good day, guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for your time.